Yes, dandruff is a real annoyance. Several individuals who have it can relate to getting out of the bath and having these scratchy moments later. You always have an irritated scalp and you cannot always determine whether it is oily or dry. It also leaves your hair looking flat and lifeless. Although several shampoos and treatments on the market promise to reduce dandruff, the chemicals are often harmful to your tresses. However, here's the thing. Hair masks are an option for dealing with the problem, and it would be the best if they were made at home without chemicals. So let's see a few hair masks that can be used to treat dandruff at home. First off is a yogurt, honey and lemon mask. One of the key ingredients that you should be looking forward to for dandruff treatments at home are the soury lemons. The citric acid in the lemon juice can help adjust the pH of your hair and scalp. Moreover, you can also use yogurt with it, as it can help in repairing the hair damage and condition your hair as well. The topical application of honey can also help in improving conditions like dandruff and seborrheic dermatitis. You will need half a cup of yogurt, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice and 1 tablespoon of honey. I have linked the honey that is best suited not only in terms of hair but also for DIYing your hair packs like this hair mask. Click the link in the description below to buy it right now. So how to make this? Combine all the ingredients in a bowl until you get a smooth mixture. Apply this mixture to your hair, starting at the roots and working your way down to the ends. Once your scalp and your hair are entirely covered in the mask, wait for 30 minutes. Wash the hair mask off with a mild sulfate-free shampoo. Green tea, tea tree, essential oil, vinegar hair rinse. Green tea exhibits antifungal effects and can help in getting rid of malassezia fungus that causes dandruff. Peppermint essential oil provides a cooling effect and helps in getting rid of dandruff. The vinegar in the rinse helps balance the scalp pH and oil production. You will need 1 cup of green tea, 2 to 3 drops of tea tree essential oil, 1 tablespoon of white vinegar. I have linked the green tea and the tea tree essential oil in the description below. So click the link to buy it right now. The processing time is 5 minutes only. The process: combine the ingredients in a jug and set it aside. Rinse your hair under running water and then pour the green tea rinse through it. Leave the rinse on for 5 minutes while massaging your scalp gently. Wash your hair with a mild sulfate-free shampoo and then condition your hair. How often should you do this? Once a week. Hibiscus and fenugreek hair pack. Hibiscus leaves have been used to treat scalp conditions like dandruff since ancient times. A polyherbal hair oil that included hibiscus extracts was found to exhibit potential anti-dandruff activity. Fenugreek seed paste can not only promote hair growth but also treat dandruff. You will need 10 to 12 hibiscus leaves, 1 tablespoon of fenugreek seeds, half a cup of yogurt. The processing time for this is 30 minutes. The process: soak a tablespoon of fenugreek seeds overnight in a cup of water. In the morning, blend the fenugreek seeds with the hibiscus leaves. Add half a cup of yogurt to the mixture and mix until you get a smooth, consistent paste. Apply this pack to your hair, starting at the roots and working your way down to the tips. Once your scalp and hair are entirely covered in the mask, wait for 30 to 40 minutes. Wash the hair off with a mild sulfate-free shampoo. How often? You can do this 2 to 3 times a week, depending on how dry your scalp is. Note: ensure a smooth blended fenugreek seed to avoid any particles that stick to your hair and make it difficult to remove during washing. Other seeds like chia, pumpkin, sunflower and flax are good for your hair and overall body as well. And they are just as good as snacks. I've linked it in the description below as well. So click the link below to buy it now. So these are the 3 hair masks that you can make sitting just at home and save a lot of money and time as well. since you do not have to make reservations and visit salons on a regular basis to achieve the hair health that you desire. Moreover, hair masks are an essential part of the hair spa routine, which is usually done twice a month. But do you think that can only be done in salons? If so, you're wrong, my friend. You can also do a hair spa by yourself right at your home. Just click the link above or in the description below to know just how to do so. Thank you for watching the video, guys. I hope you liked the video. Subscribe to the Hair Dudes channel for more hair related content.